Hello everyone, my name is James Jung and I am an implementation consultant here at D3 Technologies, and for this month's tech tip I'm going to show you guys how to restore your AutoCAD profile, or I guess AutoCAD CUI to classic mode. I'm going to show you a couple of processes here. Basically, one is by bringing in over a CUI from a previous release, such as AutoCAD 2014, and the other way will be to creating it from scratch from the AutoCAD 2016 software. First, if you to transfer an older CUI file over to your current, all you have to do is type in CUI. That will go to the customization file, and then you'll go over here to the transfer tab here, and this is where on the right hand side right here, this is where you'll bring in your older CUI file. I have it placed on my desktop right here, and once you load that up, you see that there's that AutoCAD Classic. So all you have to do is select that AutoCAD Classic and bring that over to your current workspace, which is on the left here, and hit apply. And OK. Now if you look here, it tells you right here that it has successfully loaded. So I'm just going to switch that workspace here to the classic mode. And there you have it. You have that classic mode that you guys are very familiar with. So I'm going to switch this back over to the regular drafting, 2D drafting workspace here. And I'm going to show you guys how to create it from scratch, create that classic ribbon from scratch. So the first thing you need to do is on the command bar is type in ribbon, close, and as you can tell, I just closed that ribbon. Then you'll need to type in start up right here and set that to 0. Then you'll need to go into the options file, should pull up here, and go to the display, and I'm going to deselect all these here, the display, scroll bars, and drawing window, resize. I guess you could have this one on here. I'm going to show tooltips, you want that turned off, and I'm going to turn the rest off here, and then hit apply and hit OK, and there you go. From there, I'm going to hit this little drop down arrow up in the quick access bar, and I'm going to select the show menu bar option here, and as you can see, there is the menu bar that's listed now. Then I'm going to type in dash toolbar, and I'm going to show the drawing toolbar here. So I'm going to hit draw, then I'm going to type in show. Now, as you can tell, that drawing toolbar has been placed within this workspace. So I'm going to right click in this workspace, and this is where you could bring in all sorts of other toolbars here. So maybe I want to bring in layers, and also maybe the dimensions, and what else, maybe modify tab here, and maybe properties. And this is where you'll adjust it, right? You guys were pretty familiar with this area here, so all you have to do is drag and drop to wherever you guys want this to reside. So I'm just going to drag this over to the right here. Oh, I can't do that. I'll take it up here on top. Maybe I'll move this over here. So once this is done, what you want to do is save your workspace, so you don't need to recreate this every time. So if you go hit this little wheel down here and type in put in save current as, and this is where I'll type in the AutoCAD Classic, and I'll type in manual. Hit save. Now I could switch workspaces from AutoCAD Classic Manual or to the regular 3D drafting here. As you can see, maybe I'll go back to the classic mode that I brought in from the 2014 CUI file, and the one that I just created here on the AutoCAD Classic Manual. So this is all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tech tip. So you guys have a good afternoon. Thank you.